Hello guys, we're back with another video and we got something new, and I'm going to be doing a 2-year review on the Coolster 70cc dirt bike. So I've had this for about actually like 2.5 years, and I've been using it a lot, I'd say. So we're going to go into like all the things I've had to do with it and stuff. So as you can see, there's a lot of mud on it. That was for a video I was going to make, and then I ended up scrapping it. So basically, the things I've had to replace are the tires, and then there's like one screw. Other than that, it's completely stock. So with the tires, they went bald because I rode on the street. So that I don't think would happen to you, unless you ride in the street. And I got these new tires, and actually a nail popped these tires, and I had to use this tire slime that actually worked. So yeah. So the engine still runs fine. I changed the braking oil. I've only changed it once. So as you can see, stuff like here, the stickers is just worn down, the graphics, and that's expected, especially with the pretty cheap. And the shoulder, not the shoulder pads, the knee pads have been rubbing. Carburetor, it's just got dirt all on it. Air filter is not the best, but I've been using it. There's so much dirt in there, you probably can't see. Yeah, it's actually, I haven't really abused it. So the Kickstarter, the little grip thing is falling apart. Spark plug I've had to change. I changed the oil. See, I don't know if I changed the spark plug. I might have. The drum brakes still work. The chain, I don't think I've even lubed the chain once. I probably should start doing that. Engine still works great. Shocks, I think on the other shock, yeah, it's not cracked, this is just rubber. But that got cut, probably hitting something. Yeah, I've had to change the idle. Nothing's bent, really, because I haven't really abused it. So I don't really ride trails. So I've never fallen on this. I mean, I have, not going fast though. More worn down decals, or more worn down graphics. So if you buy this, just the graphics don't last very long, especially if you're in like water and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, all in all, I'd recommend this to beginners. Other than worn down graphics and stuff, it works great. I give this like a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. It's pretty nice. I was not expecting it to last this long for the money. I think this was like $500, $600. It was really cheap. Yeah, setup's easy. Everything was easy, and it's lasted a long time. So as long as you're not too abusive with it, I think you can easily squeeze a couple years out of it. It'll probably outgrow it before it breaks. So yeah, I'd never expected a Chinese bike to last this long. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you in some upcoming videos with